Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your AdSense identity in 2026. So if your payments are on hold or Google asked for identity confirmation, this process is required before you can fully use your AdSense account. First, open your browser and go to Google AdSense, then sign in using your Google account. Once inside the dashboard, look for a verification notification or open the payments section from the sidebar. Now click the Verify Identity button to start the process. Google usually requests official identification documents. You can normally use a passport, national ID card, or driver's license depending on your country. Take clear photos of the front and back of your document if required, then upload them carefully. Make sure the name, address, and birth date on your AdSense account match your identification exactly. I mean, even small differences can delay approval. After reviewing your information, click Submit and wait for Google to process your verification request. Verification usually takes a few hours to a few days, depending on your region and document quality. Once approved, the identity verification notice will disappear, and your payments can continue normally. And if your verification gets rejected, upload clearer images and double-check all account information before trying again. So that's how to verify your AdSense identity in 2026. Completing this step is important to avoid payment delays and keep your monetization active. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.